Hello, business video world. Welcome back to Let's Do Video. I'm here again with friends from AVer, and today I'm here with Dave Adams. Dave, could you please introduce yourself
Yeah.
to my
So my
audience?
name's Dave Adams, and I am our director of OEM and ODM Sales.
Now, I'm glad we have you here today because when I think of AVer, I think of all your great cameras. And we've gone over various different cameras for, well, you guys are trying to have cameras for every possible area of the meeting room. Well, not the meeting room, every place that could be a meeting room in the office. But I didn't realize you guys are really heavy into OEM and ODM. Could you tell me a little bit more about what you guys do there?
Sure. Actually, our OEM and ODM team are a completely independent business unit within AVer. So we separate out from the brand. Our solutions can go into a variety of different vertical markets, and we make cameras for a variety of different markets. We will take and work from the ground up to develop a solution that a client has spec'd out for us. So yeah, we're doing very well in this segment. Recently, we've actually won our manufacturing facility has won an award for sustainability. So we're a
Nice.
green partner, and we take that very seriously.
No, I appreciate that because when I go to the trade shows now, I noticed everyone's getting into video. Companies that used to be audio companies, companies that made whiteboards, they're either making their own cameras or looking to make their own cameras, looking to get cameras to have a more complete solution. And it's hard to make camera if you never made a camera before. So a lot of them are looking into OEM and ODM. I think they might be um, they might be interested in what AVer's doing. Now, it's great that you're doing it and you've won awards, but you're not the only ones out there. Is there anything that you guys offer, anything about your OEM services that some of the competitors might not offer?
Yeah, there certainly is. AVer has been making cameras now since 2008, 2009. So we have a long history in the development of cameras and camera products. All of our manufacturing, design, and engineering are under a single roof, which for an OEM and a supplier is important because our teams can all work together same day. There's no, going back and forth or having to do a video call. We can actually go in and sit down with somebody from the design team and from the manufacturing floor at the same point in time. All of our cameras, because we are manufactured in Taiwan under one roof, are TAA and NDA compliant. So that's a big step up in case of doing any type of US government work for the cameras as well. Technically, we do very well with our AI. We're pretty advanced in our developments there. We also utilize some of the top chipsets from Qualcomm in our production. So our specs and our designs are cutting edge in a lot of avenues of camera manufacturing.
Very cool. And there's a video, I'll put a link to it, but I was checking out on your website, there's a video of your process of the factory floor, and it's incredible. You have all these machines, and it explains in the text below what they all do, and very special, not just machines, but processes that take 37% off the time to get this done and make it 16% more efficient. And whether if I'm a company, I just want to take one of your existing cameras and kind of put my label on it, or have an idea for my own camera, and I just need someone to help me to design it and build it. It seems like you can get us there and get us there pretty quick.
So yes, David, our manufacturing facility is one of the most advanced for camera manufacture. Over 80% of our processes are automated, which increase reliability. It certainly helps us in bringing a product to market significantly faster. So for clients who are utilizing us for an OEM solution or opportunity, those are big legs up in the development of a new product and making sure that the product that is provided is manufactured to their specifications and it's right every time. So yes, we are pretty advanced in that mix.
So I know there's companies that need this service. So where should they go to look to learn more?
They can give me a call directly in my email, which is dave.adams@aver.com, or they can get on our website and pull up the OEM tab, and they can find out a little bit more about what we're doing.
Great. Thank you so much for being here. If anyone has any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks, David.
Thanks, Dave.